How to use journaling to stay positive and healthy. Do you ever find yourself feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or negative? Well, I have a solution for you: journaling. Journaling is a powerful tool that can help you stay positive and healthy. In this video, I will share some helpful tips on how to use journaling to transform your mindset and improve your overall well-being. Let me start by explaining why journaling is so effective. When you write down your thoughts and feelings, you are externalizing them, giving them a tangible form. This process allows you to gain perspective and clarity on what is going on inside your mind. It's like having a conversation with yourself on paper. By putting your thoughts on paper, you can better understand them and start to make sense of your emotions. Now, let's dive into the tips on how to use journaling to stay positive and healthy. Tip 1. Start with gratitude. Begin each journaling session by writing down 3 things you are grateful for. This simple exercise shifts your focus from negativity to positivity and helps you cultivate a mindset of gratitude. It's a great way to start your day on a positive note. Tip 2. Practice positive affirmations. Write down positive affirmations that resonate with you. These can be statements like, "I am worthy," "I am capable," or "I am loved." Repeat these affirmations daily and believe in them. They will help rewire your brain and replace negative self-talk with empowering thoughts. Tip 3. Vent and release. Sometimes we just need to let it all out. Use your journal as a safe space to vent and release any negative emotions. Write without judgment or filter. Allow yourself to express your frustrations, fears, or disappointments. This cathartic process can help you release pent-up emotions and gain a sense of relief. Tip 4. Reflect and learn. After venting, take some time to reflect on your experiences and emotions. Ask yourself questions like, "What can I learn from this situation?" or "How can I grow from this?" Use your journal as a tool for self-discovery and personal growth. Write down any insights or lessons you have learned along the way. Tip 5. Set goals and intentions. Use your journal to set goals and intentions for your life. Write down what you want to achieve, both short-term and long-term. This process not only helps you clarify your aspirations but also holds you accountable for taking action. Regularly review your goals and track your progress in your journal. Now that you have learned these tips, I encourage you to start journaling and experience the positive impact it can have on your well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Make journaling a daily habit and watch as it transforms your mindset and helps you stay positive and healthy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear about your journaling experiences and how it has helped you. Happy journaling!